Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the storage location for your screenshots on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So go ahead and go to your settings here and go down to advanced features. Tap on that. From here you want to go to screenshots and screen recordings, and you want to scroll down to where it says save screenshots in, and you can see a path there. So if you tap on that, you can easily go ahead and create a brand new folder by tapping the folder here and select that folder, and this will change the path to where those screenshots will be saved. So all you have to do once you create this folder, tap on that, just simple click and done, and as you can see the path, click and done, and it will automatically change. And this is how you can easily do so. However, if you no longer want this folder, you can always go ahead and delete that folder if you no longer, or you can always revert back to the specific location that you want and click done. So once I do that, you see it goes back to the original location, and that's all there is to it. And of course, if you don't want these folders anymore, you can always go ahead and delete those folders if you so desire. But this is how you can easily go ahead and change the location or the save location path for your screenshots on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone.